Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add social media icons to your 3dcart website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is social media icons. So let's click sign up for free. Now you want to sign with the Facebook, Gmail, or normal mail, it's up to you. And when you got it, let's click login. Now here you're gonna see applications, and in search you just want to write social, and you're gonna see social media icons. Let's create a widget. Now here you have to choose between social icons, fixed icons, white. I will like this one, social. Continue with the template. Now you just add here to Facebook, Twitter, and everything. You can add also LinkedIn. I don't know, let me show you. LinkedIn. And as you can see, we got it there. Then you're gonna see like layout. You can choose the size of your, you can have it floating, left, right position, center, really up to you. And now just click save. Right after you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000 up to 5 million views, go with the basic, pro, or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And when I'm in our store, just click plus and add a spacer. And what you can do is just simply click on HTML and paste the simple code here. How simple is that, right? So this is how, and we got like perfect social media icons. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and yeah, have a great day and goodbye.